RBI policy is out and there is no rate cut, no hike, no drama. But for traders, this quiet policy is actually very important. In this video, I will explain what RBI said and real trader bias and how to position Nifty and Bank Nifty options after this policy. RBI policy summary. The Monetary Policy Committee of Reserve Bank of India has kept the repo rate unchanged at 5.25%. The policy stance remains neutral, which means RBI is in wait and watch mode. No urgency to cut rates and no need to hike either. Growth view. RBI says India's economy remains strong. GDP growth for 2025-26 is estimated at 7.4%. Services are strong, consumption is healthy, government spending continues, and private investment is stable. In short, no growth stress. Inflation view, very comfortable. Here is the key part traders must note. Inflation is extremely low, around 1 to 2% recently. Food inflation is in deflation and core inflation is near 2.6%. RBI expects inflation to move closer to 4% only in FY27. This tells us one thing, downside risk in market is limited. Why RBI did not cut rates? So if inflation is low, why no rate cut? Because RBI is waiting for confirmation from the new GDP and CPI data series. Also global risk like geopolitical and energy prices still exist. RBI wants clarity, not haste. Trader bias, the real message. For traders, this policy clearly signals no big trend immediately. Markets are likely to stay range bound with a positive bias. This is not a breakout policy. This is a premium selling environment until data changes. Nifty options view. For Nifty options trader, expect range trading unless global cues change. Supports are likely to hold because inflation is low. Upside may be slow and grinding. Best strategies remain iron condors, short strangles with hedge, call ratio spreads if market dips and recovers. Bank Nifty options view. Bank Nifty reacts more to rate expectations. Since RBI stayed neutral, banks get stability, not excitement. Expect mean reversion moves, not trends. Ideal environment for short straddle near VWAP, intraday option selling, avoid naked directional bets. Conclusion. To summarize, RBI policy is equal to stability, growth is stronger, inflation is low, bias is range with upside protection. Big move may come in April policy, not now. Trade light, respect ranges, manage risk.